meteorologist Cassandra Crimi tracking the tropics. We've got two close to home, one of which really should be a non-issue for us here in Central Florida. One we are watching a bit more closely. The tropical storm Franklin, kind of a weakening storm, but as we head into next week, we actually expect it to climb back to hurricane strength. I think this is going to send us some swells for our East Coast beaches. That'll be the impacts that we'll feel from this, but this is going to stay well off to our east out in the Atlantic. But this is the area that we're going to be watching and talking a lot about over the next couple of days. Areas of the Western Caribbean, close to the Yucatan Peninsula. We've got some slow development happening there, some convection, some disorganized showers and storms with kind of a broad area of low pressure that's essentially going to kind of stay in the same area for about 48 hours or kind of meander around the Yucatan Peninsula. So we're going to be watching that very closely. But early next week, a lot of models indicating this moving into the Gulf of Mexico, which is very warm, record warm, really, where we could get some additional development. But it's still a little bit too early to really fine-tune how much this is going to develop, where it's going to be headed, and give you our Central Florida impacts kind of fine-tuned for that. So if we take a look at our in-house model, you can definitely see that spin occurring as we get down closer to the Yucatan Peninsula all weekend long. We could easily have a PTC issued for this area as we head into the weekend, which would actually give us some model data and some track data. The GFX continues to kind of line up a little bit better now with yesterday they were telling two different stories, but today at least developing this into some type of tropical scenario. So we'll continue to monitor that for you. But I think at the minimum, we're going to see an increased chance for some scattered showers and storms as we head into this upcoming week. Late Tuesday, Wednesday, and even into Thursday, we'll see some of those changes. But again, keep tuned to Channel 9 and Severe Weather Center 9. We'll keep you posted with all of the changes. Today, though, it's going to be dry and hot and getting hotter this weekend locally. Tomorrow and Sunday, we'll reach a high of about 95.